One of the things that the Graham Company did almost immediately was introduce us to Dr. Larry Goren. And he's been an amazing partner in our efforts, in helping us with our efforts to become the employer of choice. He's serious about his work, he's serious about safety, he's serious about our staff, and he teaches to have fun along the way.
On-Site Innovations is a company that I started about 8 or 9 years ago. It is a company that places healthcare professionals in large facilities. So all that I had to do as I investigated the problems that the people at Bancroft were having with their work-related injuries was to meet the good folks at Bancroft, understand their passion, their drive, and the most interesting thing is when I looked at why they were having problems with work-related injuries among their employees, one of the things that I found was that employees are willing to sacrifice themselves for their people, for their person served. It was love at first sight.
What's exciting about having Dr. Goren work with us is that it fits in so perfectly. As we strive to become an employer of choice and strive to ensure that our people can reach their full potential, part of that is establishing a culture of safety. So when you say safety, of course, Dr. Goren lights up because that's his world. And so not only do we have the opportunity to reduce our work comp expenses, but at the same time, and more importantly, we have the opportunity to provide a safe work environment for all the employees as well as the persons we serve.
Obviously, safety is a major concern to the organization, and we've instituted a number of new safety procedures to ensure that, number one, our staff don't get hurt, and more importantly, our people served don't get hurt. Obviously, that's critical. Dr. Goren places a high emphasis on that, as well as health and wellness. We want to ensure that our employees are healthy, because a healthy employee is a productive employee.
He's energized by our mission, he's energized by our staff, and he really works as their advocate because he knows how hard they work.
Bancroft does good for good's sake. That is the good soul. My mother used to say, if you had a good soul, then she's done her job right. These people have good souls. The soul and the caring and the love of the folks at Bancroft for those persons served is something to be treasured. It's something attractive. It's something to be watered and watched grow, and that is the most amazing thing about Bancroft to me.